Let's go through some of the advanced features in the course editor at Coursebox. So not everybody realizes, but you can actually skip our AI course creation step completely, clicking create a course manually, and then give that a title and a description for your course. You can update the image on the right, the advantages of your course, skills and knowledge, and more advanced settings in the drop downs, and click save to go to the first page of the Coursebox editor. And this is how to edit a course manually. So on the left you'll see by default we're creating an overview and an introduction, but you can edit those titles, and we have a blank HTML editor. First thing you can do is use our AI writer to replace any existing text, or in this case blank, or continue writing if you've already got something, and then describe what you want to write about. How to exercise well. And you can give it an approximate word count. It won't be exact, but it's a guide for our AI authoring tools. So that's the first thing. The second thing, again in this text editor, is there's another button, add sources. Now, if you want to give some weight to what you've written, we can scour the internet using Google, find some reputable websites, and if you're happy with those links, add them into your page and they'll appear down the bottom. We've got this AI button, so if you want to generate an image, you can prompt it and generate an image, or you'll see there's a library of images available over time that builds up. Second one is AI videos. And you'll see that you can edit the logo, text, and select over 750 different avatars and voices, or you can even create your own avatar. So to do that, you upload your own picture and build it that way, or use one of our available avatars, select the one you want to use, and you'll notice we also write a script for you when creating an avatar video. So use that script writer, you can edit that, select the voice accent you want to use, and you can set it to be a forced completion activity or autoplay down the bottom, just like you can with any of our videos. And by the way, something not everybody realizes, if you build more than one video on a page, it will create a slideshow of videos automatically. This is where you can change the text shown on the left and color of text, logo. So this is where you'd upload or manage your logo, or you can hide it completely. Background for the slide, we have a range of backgrounds you can select from. And you can even hide the block on the left if you prefer. So when you're ready, you just click generate video, and it takes about 10 minutes to use that Coursebox AI feature. And you'll see this is the image that's been built down here. Other AI features, the quiz creation tool. So you can select use course content or not, generate course quiz questions up to 10 at a time. So I'm going to suggest 5. These will build multi-choice with multi-answer or single answer, but you can extend those quizzes manually and make those a bit more interactive with our drag and drop feature or open answer as well. What else have we got down here? Okay, and there you see it, it's been built, and you can change the pass grade and other settings. There's tooltips explaining what those settings do. You can also shuffle the answer order or not, and you can keep batching more and more questions up to 10 at a time using that feature. What else have we got? We've got AI assignments. So the way this works is it will write, and you can edit that prompt, it will write a scenario-based assignment, and it breaks it into 2 text boxes. So the first one is where it's writing the scenario assignment for your learners. The second one is a rubric. Now you can turn that off if you don't want a rubric, or you can change it to open answer or other settings. But I think this is a very powerful way to set it up, and learners within about 10 seconds of a submission based on the requirements will get very detailed feedback based on that rubric. So you can edit that, what are the criteria, what does each criterion mean? And what are the other settings? Well, you can go into the settings down here, I believe. We can hide any block, so that's what that is. Interesting. Can't actually. Oh, I see. It's down here. So one thing you can do when you're editing is you can minimize your blocks and rearrange them. So what it's done is, because I'm building so many things on this page, is the submission zone, this assignment is down here, and I want to put that closer to the rubric so that when I preview it, that's all together. And if I go in to edit the course, this is where my assignment settings are. So the standard with rubric is what we described. Simplified open answer is different again. You can write what sorts of correct answers look like in the desired answer block. And the third type is a multi-criteria assignment. But by default, standard with rubric is what the AI will create. And the other AI feature is for the learner. So when they submit their assignment, we do AI grading automatically. Another one we haven't talked about is the AI audio feature. So by default, any of these text blocks will have this audio player here. So that's using AI to create an audio recording file. And if we go into the AI features, AI audio, this is where you can set it. So you can actually turn it off for all pages if you want. You can change the voice accents. You can regenerate one or more pages at a time as well. And we've even got custom pronunciation under AI audio, so you can add in words about and explaining the pronunciation of certain words. And that's because AI isn't always perfect, and sometimes it will just pronounce a word differently to how you want it said, especially if it's an acronym. We've also got AI Tutor. So this is one of our most popular features, and you can give an instruction about how you want this chatbot to respond to learners. So you can customize a chatbot tutor experience in every e-learning for your learners. Give it a name, give it a face. What's the welcome message? What is the name of your chatbot? And when you're ready, click save. You can also upload additional files and content through websites as well, building out a knowledge base, and you can just retrain your chatbot tutor over time. So those are our key functions using AI when you're editing any page. If you've got any questions, please reach out to, firstly, Odessa, who's always available down on the bottom right. You can ask her any questions. She understands the user manual and can usually get it right in seconds the vast majority of the time. And if necessary, reach out to us at support@coursebox.ai. Thank you.